Okay, I'm off to go and get Addison. This is going to be her last 2 hours. Her 9th and 10th driving lessons. The first hour we're going to do a mock road test, a mock G1 exit road test to see where she's at. See what her strengths and weaknesses are, what she needs to work on to prepare for her real upcoming G1 exit road test. And her second hour, which I probably won't record actually, is going to be a final assessment. And she needs an 80 to pass. So here we go. Hey, Addison. No problem. Mine either. How are you today?
I'm good, you?
I'm good, thanks. You didn't get a snow day, did you?
No, I just, I have a spare.
Oh, yeah. You getting dropped off at home?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I'm not going for fourth period, because there's only 20 minutes
Doesn't
left.
make sense. Yeah, right. You'd be done at 2, so.
Yeah,
Cool.
so I just came home like an hour ago. So.
Yeah. So that worked out good then.
Yeah.
Was a bit of a mess there this morning.
Yeah, I thought it was actually this way.
Me too.
Because I went skiing last night. It was,
Did you? Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy.
Over at Addison?
Yeah.
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 Cool.
Alright. Are you good to go?
Yeah, I'm ready when you are.
Okay.
So today's going to be your mock road test.
Yeah.
We could practice a little bit beforehand though.
Yeah, I would like to practice.
Yeah. And then your last hour, the last hour is just going to be like a final assessment.
Okay.
It's just basically sit here and you chauffeur.
Okay, sounds good.
We're going to make a right turn.
Thank you for booking this appointment.
Yeah, no problem.
We just want to, I didn't realize I had to get this done before booking.